Yeah, we are live. Marcus Body coming live. Ching, remember, Footwork every day. You see, we do no excuses. Yeah, are you ready? Today, combination cross 5, tap 5. Ready? First watch, then practice together. Let's go. Yes, let's do it together. No excuses. Let's go. Yeah, do it with me. Let's go. Bit unfocused. Let's use the. Yeah, let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go. We cross to the back. Open. Open. Tap. Step to the back. And tap. Yeah. Now with the right. Cross. Open. Open. Tap. Step to the back. And step. Yeah. One more time with the left. Cross. Open. Open. Tap. Step. Step. With the right. Cross. Open. Open. Tap. Step. Step. Looking great. Let's go again. Cross. Open. Open. Tap. Step. Step. Cross. Open. Open. Tap. Step. Step. Now let's do it with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is the move. Cross 5 and tap 5. But you know what? Since you're still here, let's practice again now. Face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah. But not doing your makeup. Let's go. It's a bit sick maybe. But remember, no excuses. Ready? Let's go. Starting with the left. Let's go. Cross. Open. Open. Tap. Step to the back and step. Now with the right. Cross. Open. Open. Tap. Step to the back and step. Once again with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And let's give you some tips with the hands. What do you say? Let's do it again. And we'll point to the feet. Let's see. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now we point. Opposite hand. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And we point. Opposite hand to opposite leg. Yeah. 1, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and point. 5, 6, 7. Again. 1 and point. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is the move. Nice and easy, nice and simple, but still pretty impressive. And still, of course, universal. Cha-ching. But what do I mean by that? Universal means that you can do it in any kind of dance that you want. Hip hop, bachata, salsa, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, samba, and much more. Yeah, and by the way, salsa, you can do it on 1 and on 2. Because you can start with the right or with the left. It is symmetrical. And if you want to practice with me in the studio more and more, these moves, check the links above, below, to the side. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for Cross 5 and Top 5. Yeah, because today we have a combination between them. So you can practice with me in the studio for free anytime you want. These moves and then do the combo. But you know what? Why do you care? You have this video, right? So hit the replay button and practice with me again, and then again, and then again, and then again. And then I cannot zoom more. But remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good. It is the thing you do that makes you good. So keep practicing and practice today and make it today. Why today? Why not today? But the second reason I have for you, because tomorrow you have the new footwork, of course. New footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. Yeah. So I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow with a new footwork. See you tomorrow.